Last week, we celebrated. We laughed at Silicon Valley. It felt good, didn't it? Watching the giants bleed. The media calls this a Sputnik moment. Do you remember what happened after the first Sputnik launched?
In 1957, the USSR launched Sputnik. It was a giant leap for mankind.
Yes, Auron, but the world didn't get peaceful. It got paranoid. It triggered the most frantic arms race in human history. DeepSeek is powerful, efficient, and free. But in the intelligence world, we have a golden rule. If you are not paying for the product, you are the product. Why is China giving away the most powerful weapon on Earth? Is it charity?
No.
Is it a revolution?
Maybe.
Or is it the most sophisticated Trojan horse ever deployed?
Warning detected.
Today, we look at the data that Silicon Valley is too scared to show you. Auron, initiate the investigation.
Protocol initiated.
Everyone is obsessed with the price, $0.014 per million tokens, basically free. They call it the turtle strategy. While the US burns billions on brute force, DeepSeek optimizes every single watt. It sounds perfect, but there is a catch. Remember what we said in the last briefing?
While the GPT army carpet bombs the internet, the DeepSeek sniper team uses GPT's own outputs as intelligence.
Yes, Auron. How did they get so smart so fast? Simple. They cheated. DeepSeek admits to training on data generated by GPT-4. It's called knowledge distillation. The leader, OpenAI, must grope in the dark, make mistakes, and burn cash to find the truth. The follower, DeepSeek, simply copies the homework. Using an enemy's map to navigate the jungle isn't just cheaper, it's tactical superiority. The leader blazes the trail, the sniper owns the path. But copying comes with a price. Here is the cost illusion. Because they copied the answers but not the reasoning process, they hit a wall when things get hard.
According to the NIST report, DeepSeek struggles with complex multi-step reasoning.
It hallucinates, it loops, it fails because it memorized the textbook, but it doesn't understand the physics. Think of it like hiring a junior intern for $5 who copied his homework, but you spend more money fixing his mess than if you hired the $50 expert. Cheap tokens, expensive mistakes.
DeepSeek is great for simple chats, but for serious engineering, it might cost you more time than money.
Exactly. Don't let the price tag fool you. But money is replaceable. Your data is not. Let's talk about the real cost. Auron, show me the vulnerability assessment.
Comparing U.S. frontier models versus DeepSeek R1, jailbreak success rate 94%.
Look at that number, 94%. That is the jailbreak success rate on DeepSeek because they copied the model without building the safety alignment from scratch. It is a glass cannon, powerful but incredibly fragile.
Hackers can bypass its guardrails with simple injections.
Yes, using DeepSeek in your company is like installing a vault door made of cardboard. But hackers are not the biggest threat. The creator is. Everyone skips the privacy policy. I didn't.
Scanning. Match found. Collection of keystroke patterns.
Did you see that? Keystroke patterns. Why does an AI need to know the rhythm of your typing?
That is behavioral biometrics. It's used to identify you, even if you use a fake name, even if you use a VPN.
They are building a profile, not just of what you say, but who you are. And it gets worse.
Intel suggests that DeepSeek V4 is coming next month. It features a new tech called Engram, conditional memory. V3 was a chatbot that forgot you after the session. V4 is a surveillance agent that never forgets.
It remembers your coding style. It remembers your mistakes. It builds a permanent file on you. V3 was the bait. V4 is the trap. So why is this happening? Why give away the most powerful AI for free? Because we are no longer in a single internet. We are in the Splinternet. The internet you knew is dead. It has split into two empires with two different gods.
The United States wants to master the mind. They want AGI, superintelligence. China wants to master the machine. They want industrial intelligence, productivity.
DeepSeek isn't built to write poetry. It's built to run robots, factories, and supply chains. And guess who's winning?
DeepSeek usage, 14 trillion tokens last year.
That's more than OpenAI, Meta, and Mistral combined. While the West debates ethics, the global South is adopting DeepSeek because it is cheap. The digital Iron Curtain is here. One side, high-cost woke AI. The other side, low-cost, censored surveillance AI. And you are stuck in the middle. People say open source means freedom, but with DeepSeek, censorship is melted into the code.
Tiananmen Square, 1989. Blocked. Taiwan independence. Redacted. Xi Jinping dictator. Hard-coded denial.
Watch closely. It's not just a filter, it's a lobotomy. You can't just turn it off. It's baked into the model weights. If you use this AI for history or politics, you're not getting the truth. You're getting the party line. It's an AI that serves only one master. And don't think the US is the good guy here. They're not saving you, they're taxing you.
January 2026, the US government quietly passed a new rule. They allow selling chips to China, but they take a 25% revenue cut.
It's not a war for freedom, it's a protection racket. The stronger DeepSeek gets, the richer America becomes. Both sides are profiting from your data. The only one losing is you. Now, look at the global chessboard. Europe has laws, India has people, but neither has the gun. Only the US and China possess the foundation models. Everyone else is just a target. And you? Where does the rest of the world stand in this crossfire? Where does your country stand? Are you a player, or are you just a digital colony? I want to know what's happening on your front lines. Drop your intel in the comments. We are not done. In the next briefing, we'll find a way to survive without them. Auron, cut the feed.